Hello, so today is June 7th and today I am going to do a few things with the plants today. One thing I really want to do is to fertilize them. It's probably been about 2 months since I really fertilized everybody. I'm going to see if I have time to transplant some plants. A lot of plants are still sharing one container and I have some more, slowly getting some more. But in the meantime, I'm going to take a look at everybody. The most recent thing I transplanted were the Roselle hibiscus back there, so they're growing a little bit. I took them out of that air-prune planter. I actually got them out of the soil, put new soil in there, replanted them. I took, I think, 3 out. They're really small, so looks like they're finally growing a little bit, just a little bit. And then I left some flowers on some, just to see if they will dry up. The seed pods will dry up and I'll have some seeds. I did that to the other ones too. I left one on there, so they're looking really good. Refrigerator chestnut. It's really small, but it's looking really good. I had chestnuts in the refrigerator since December. At the end of March, I noticed that one was sprouting, so I put it in the soil, and 2 months later, it's looking like this. And in comparison, the one that I did last year is this one. It's really skinny, really thin, and it's growing new portions at the bottom right here, so it's looking good. I noticed how dark the leaves are, but as you can see, the 2 aged chestnuts from seed. Big pineapple. It's looking really nice. Here's the second one. Okay, the second one's right here. This one actually grew. Yeah, I believe I put in soil in February, so it's already looking really good. Here's the third pineapple. I put this in its own container because it was in the Roselle hibiscus for a while. The citrus right there, they need to be transplanted. They need to get out of there. I'm going to have to plant multiple ones in a container because I don't have that many for them, so I'll probably do that this weekend too. Sapodillas, I transplanted those recently, so they're looking really good. I put the largest ones in their own containers. So here's the cherimoyas. They're looking really good. I'm also thinking about putting these guys more in sun because I actually noticed this thing is getting bigger too. They're finally getting big. And here's the largest one. It's looking really good. Yeah, it's getting really tall. Got those huge, pretty leaves. Gonna have to tie this off again. Keeps moving. For a while the stick was right here and it bore a hole in it. But it's looking good. I'm thinking about putting these in full sun, but if I do that, I need to put a bag around the container so they can get watered. But they're looking good. Some more sapodillas. These guys are looking really good. I think sapodillas can grow here. I'm following a bunch of Facebook pages and people in San Antonio, which is like south of here, and still in the same, I think it's still the same hardiness zone. I think it's flirting with 9A. Some parts of San Antonio is 9A, but they're able to grow these. I don't know how, but sapodillas white tapote. I think somebody showed a cherimoya the other day. So some of these guys, if you're able to doctor them up and protect them from winter, they are able to grow. It's just, it'll be a while because these guys are grown from seed, but they're looking good right now. Star fruit. Yeah, these are from, I believe from February. Yeah, February 16th. And right here, got new generation of soursops. So they're coming up. They're looking good. Literally, my most recent video that I released was how to grow soursops from seed. I hate to say all of those seedlings except 2 are alive today. Soursops, they died after a cold front in October and they never recovered. So I definitely want to try to grow them again. This time I want to be prepared. I learned the hard way these guys don't like cold weather. So I'll definitely be prepared. I definitely have a greenhouse now, so I can put the greenhouse earlier once October rolls around. So I do want to take better care of this batch and have actual surviving soursops.